And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 24-pack AA battery. Now, these are your standard old school AA batteries. These are 3,000 milliamp hours. These do not recharge. They should not have any leakage or anything like that. And you can see a little bit of this information here as well in the back. They're long-lasting triple seal valve port, and they go through 14 safety tests. That's pretty awesome. So not a lot to show you, of course, in an unboxing for batteries, but I want to show you these 24 batteries. So we open them on up. You get 2 packs of 12 here. Look at that. Nothing else in the box. So there is your first 12. These are not wrapped in any kind of plastic or anything like that. So they're ready to come right out of this and just be used. And you can see there, nice little company branding, lithium battery, normal caution. They're non-rechargeable, no mercury or anything. AA 1.5 volts. So that's what you would get with these. These would be great for an Xbox controller, a TV remote, or whatever you need some AA batteries for. So thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.